how to enable or disable show Tenor GIFs for water stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down and click on Galaxy Avatar. After click on Galaxy Avatar, click on Water Stickers and click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in your water sticker settings, so you will see Show Tenor GIFs is here. If you want to enable Show Tenor GIFs, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Show Tenor GIFs is enabled. If you want to disable Show Tenor GIFs, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Show Tenor GIFs is disabled. You will enable or disable Tenor GIFs from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Show Tenor GIFs for avatar stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.